Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, let's continue our lesson. I will share first our asset on CorelDRAW. Yeah, let's finish. I have scenario look like this. Yeah, frame of 3 button, like button, subscribe button, and notification. And I have illustration of the button. Yeah, I have up hand button, I have down hand button. Okay, take a look like this. Yeah, okay, we will see the change and moving the finger like this. Yeah, okay, we'll set first. Okay, that's up button, and the left is down button. It will be we can play. Yeah, we can play on frame. Okay, take example like this, but we don't layout here. Yeah, because I will layout on maybe Photoshop or Flash. Yeah, that's the moving. Yeah, moving from left to right. After that, sorry, let maybe change first. Okay, range and group. I have German like this. Six. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 like this. Yeah, maybe change, and I forgot move the node. Yeah, actually now it's correct. That's it, and make a group again. Okay, yeah, the up hand button will moving from left to right. After that, disappear and appear down button. After that, the up hand button will be moving from left to here and display the bottom hand. Yeah, bottom down hand. Yeah, and the next step, move here and down hand button. Yeah, and we have frame, another frame. After the step is passed, it must display like this, illustration of likes, change from white to yellow, and then move here. Subscribe will be yellow, and the last notification sign will be yellow too. Okay, let's try to lay out. Maybe okay, maybe I will lay out on Photoshop. Yeah, okay, let's try. I have prepared for this scenario of animation. Yeah, to get that, I have frame number 1, yeah, and the all assets, yeah, all asset I have sub frame number 1, frame number 2, yeah, look at this, frame number 1, all of object the color is white, number 2 like it's yellow, number 3 like yellow and subscribe yellow, and number 4 all of object will be yellow color, yeah, and I have 2 down button of hand, up button of hand, yeah. Okay, let's try. Okay, I will try to make illustration of you, yeah, make illustration of you how to the frame its work, yeah, from its work. Okay, I will, okay, that's it. I will explain from here. That's it. Okay, I just take use frame, yeah, we have 2 frame, 1. Okay, let's try 1. Okay, I will change the canvas size, yeah, maybe wait, maybe, okay, maybe, hey, you will see the this, okay, that's it. Okay, no, sorry. Okay, I use this guideline, yeah. Okay, here. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, you can see, yeah. Okay, you will see the step of the bottom, yeah, the bottom, which how to push the like button, subject button, and notification, yeah. Okay, let's try this scenario, and I displayed several of layer, and frame number 2 here, and number 3 here. I use facility of position twins animation frame, yeah. It will be this image will be moved down until the position, yeah, until the position. Okay, up, look at, see, look at this, yeah. Here button up will start, yeah, will start from left to right. Okay, let's see. 1, yeah, I use facility from Photoshop twin animation of frame 2, yeah. Okay, see, okay, look at the layer, up, down, like it's a down, like, yeah, down, like, and then look at, see, the bottom is now is yellow. Then okay, move, step, then finish, yeah. Okay, finish. Okay, we can play the animation, look like this, start. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here will be disappear with duration 180 seconds, yeah, maybe 3 minutes, and we can adjust this. If we want to make maybe 1 minute, we can set for 60 seconds. Yeah, it will be disappear during until 60 seconds later. Okay, that's our scenario how to create like, subscribe, and notification animation. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobat Tris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.